Now, another service we offer here at the Body Project is something called nutrition response testing. Now, your body's actually been pre-programmed to sustain life. Each cell, your body part, each organ and energy system is genetically encoded to work with continued survival. Now, your brain acts as a giant switchboard to channel energy into action to maintain its body's functions. Now, every symptom in your body constitutes a signal. Now, a warning is something that is really not quite right. Unfortunately, most of us don't listen to our body. Now, your autonomic nervous system is the part of the nervous system that we cannot control with our mind. The autonomic nervous system regulates our breathing, our heart rate, digestion, our immune function, our sleep patterns, hormone regulation, blood pressure, our blood sugar levels, tissue regeneration, and our liver and kidney detoxification. Now, originally developed by physicians and neurologists, NRT grew out of the importance of detecting and correcting problems of the autonomic nervous system as well as other organs of the body. Nutrition response testing allows the practitioner to restore the self-regulating mechanisms of the body, allowing our clients to return to an optimal state of health. Symptoms leading to these imbalances are theoretically caused by 7 common factors. These include undiagnosed food allergies, heavy metal toxicity, petroleum chemical toxicity, chronic unresolved infections and scars, unresolved psychological stress, and electromagnetic stress. Now, nutrition response testing is often effective where other treatments fail and is effective for most chronic and acute illnesses. These include but are not limited to allergies, chronic pain, chronic infections, immune problems, depression, digestive issues, anxiety, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, premenstrual syndrome, menopause problems, cancer, diabetes, seizure disorders, ADD and ADHD, and many others. Now, during each session, we will evaluate you with special attention focused on identifying each of the factors that are contributing to your current symptomologies. These include detecting imbalances that create a disturbance of the autonomic nervous system. Now, a typical visit would reveal that our client has maybe a gluten intolerance, heavy metal toxicity, or maybe a scar from a cesarean or an episiotomy scar, hysterectomy scar from past surgery, and these are causing stress on their autonomic nervous system. So our primary treatment could include, say, maybe cold laser therapy, dietary advice to avoid the food allergens, and a personalized whole food-based supplementation protocol. Generally, the client would come back in 1 to 2 weeks for another test to see if the response to the supplementation program and the dietary recommendations have actually contributed to a positive physiological change. Now, nutrition response testing has actually enabled us to test each of our clients at a core level and identify the real causes of their autonomic dysregulation. We can now correct the root of their problem using time-tested nutritional protocols that are safe, sensible, and economic, which produces the results we felt that were possible for each and every one of our clients.